back to another video. Oh, that's a bit dark. Is that a bit darker than normal or what? Anyway, welcome back to another video. I've got a quick friend mail to show you. This is from a lovely lady called Anne Marie. I asked her what she likes to be called because some people call it Annie, some call it Anne Marie, some call it Anne. So I said, what do you prefer? And she said, any, I'm not bothered. But everyone's got a preference, so I just call her Anne Marie. She's got an Instagram, and she's called Nail Force 1 by Anne Marie. And she does beautiful nails. She doesn't have a channel. But she sent me a friend mail. Why did she send me this? I can't remember now. Oh, yeah. She bought some of these opal flaky things from AliExpress, and the bags were huge. And she asked me if I wanted some. And I said, yeah, go on then. We'll do a bit of a friend mail swap. And I'll send you... I've sent her some pigments. And she sent me so much extra. She has, a bugger. So, I'm going to show you. Right, I'll show you what I knew about. Oh, I'm going to have to open all these. Give me a second. Right, firstly, can I just say England are playing, so if you hear any shouting, it won't just be my partner, it'll be me as well today. Yeah, England are playing. Right, let's show you these. These are so cool. I've actually been looking at these on AliExpress. And they're called Opal Flakes. They're stunning. They're like, you know the chameleon flakes that you can get, that you can rub in as like a chrome? It's like them. Look at it floating everywhere. But beautiful, like pearly colours. So there's that pink and that pink. I'm not going to open them all up because they're just floating everywhere. We've got a purple. I'll show you this one. I'll show you one more. Oh shit, no, I won't show you that one. I'll show you this one. I can't open it. Yeah, I'll show you this one. Can you see it floating everywhere? How nice are they? Let me show you what they do. Look, they're like them chameleon flakes. They just rub in. They're beautiful. Oh gosh, they're everywhere. Right, I'm going to have to clean them off. Oh shit, look. Look. Right, let me just put them to the back. Right, she's also sent me, this is called Blue Disco by Miss You or something. Right, and this is like, look at them hexes. They've got like little lines down them, down dots. It's got dots in there with all little lines on them. That's super, super cool. I like that. That's cute. Right, look at this. This is like shards, but it's not quite gold and it's not quite bronze. It's really, really cool. I haven't seen any of that colour. It's really, really cool. Also with my lighting. My lighting's not right clever today. I like that. That's cute. Thank you so much. Can't believe she sent me all this. Let's leave them there where you can see them. Right, let's get through some of this. Right, we've got foils. There's some more foil there, isn't there? Right, let's have a look at these foils. So these look like marbly ones. Like kitchen work surface. They always remind me of kitchen work surface, they do. I thought we scored then. No, we haven't. And this one, I haven't seen this one before anywhere. Oh, look at that. Tree trunks. Look. What does that say? Country or something. Wow, look at that. I've never seen that. It's got tree trunks. And it says something. Never seen that before. Cool. Look at this. Isn't that groovy? That is so smart. Wow, I absolutely love that. That's from Sparkle Supplies. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Then this one is called Eastern Foil. Eastern, yeah, Eastern from Sparkle Supplies as well. Look, that's hollow as well. So cool. That's nice. I'm so sorry you can hear my dogs crying. They've all got, well, no, actually, not all of them. One of them, he's got really bad separation anxiety from my partner. And when my partner is out, he's just this second gone out, so he started crying. He just hates it when my partner goes out. So yeah, he's not being tortured. He's just got separation anxiety. Right, what's this? Oh, look at this one. It's like see-through. It's got a stowaway butterfly in there. They're like little shiny dots. Cute. Then we've got this. Mixed shell pieces. One thing I haven't got. Mixed shell pieces. They'd be cool to do like a beach themed nails. Something. Different, aren't they? Right, look at these. Oh, caviar beads. Brilliant, because I'm using so many caviar beads at the minute. Every colour under the sun in there, and they're all metallic. They are all metallic. Love them. Right, we've got some gold hollow butterfly stickers, which I haven't got. I've seen a lot of people with these and I haven't got any. They're so nice. I love them. They look beautiful on a nail, they do. Right, then we've got these. I love the colour of these. They've got like palm leaves, little daisy flowers and butterflies and more leaves. Love the colour of that. And then we've got it in that colour as well. They're going to be nice for tropical nails or something. Beautiful, aren't they? I've got these, but in flame stickers. This colour. Right, she's also sent me, look at these. She asked me if I wanted these. And I said, yeah, I'll try them. I've seen these on AliExpress as well. They're little pearl paints. They're solid. And you just add water to them. Look at that pink and purple. And then we've got like a yellow gold and a rose pink. They're beautiful, aren't they? I'll have to give them a try because I did actually want some of them. So sorry. Right, these are all... Look at all these guys. These are all nail sugar and sparkle supplies. Right, I'm going to get through these quickly. So this is nail sugar, diamond dust. It's like a iridescent white. Beautiful. Nail sugar again, moonstone confetti. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at that. It's like all pastel colours. Beautiful. Love it. Right, nail sugar again, Emerald City. So this is like a fine green and it's got tiny little hexes in it. Then we've got Urban Princess. Ooh. This is like a fine purple and it's got like little iridescent hexes in there. These are so pretty. Nail sugar again. This is called Sugar Shot. This has got iridescent strands, iridescent hexes, silver hexes. Oh, these are gorgeous. Nail sugar is one place I've never ever, can you believe this? Never ever ordered any glitter from. Nail sugar. Got glitters from everywhere. Right, custom mix, and she's named it Cosmic Lights. Perfect name. All sorts of colours in there. That's so pretty. Right, then we've got Rockin' Raspberry, which again looks like a fine with tiny hexes in it. Look at the colour shift that's got going on. That's stunning. Then we've got Candy Kisses. Oh, this is my kind of mix. Look, it's full of pinks and purples and blues. My favourite colours all in one bag. Hexes, dots. Gorgeous. Gosh. Tink's Treasure. I've never seen a glitter like this. It's gold. It's got all different colour strands, all different colour hexes, but then it's got gold as well. That's really unique, isn't it? Never seen anything like that. Right, another gold one, Halo. So this looks like a fine gold and it's got rose gold little hexes in it. Beautiful. Oh, the rose gold hollow. Gorgeous. Right, nail sugar again, ultraviolet. Look at all these guys. Look at all these. That's pretty. Wow. Right, let's get a shimmy on. Freebies. So this is one of the freebies that Karen from Nail Sugar does. These freebies are, when she's bagging up all the glitters, like all these, everything that spills, she pours into bags and gives them out as freebies. So these are complete one-offs. You can't buy these freebies from Nail Sugar. Stars, I can see stars in there. Disco Ball. This is a silver. And it's got black dots in it. Are they black? Yeah, tiny silver hollow hexes and black dots. That's really unique as well. My street's so noisy today. Why do you all live here? Why do you not go and live somewhere else? Gosh, can you believe there's actually people living on my street? Look at this one. The cheek people have got to come and live on my street. Right, where was we? So this is like a sky blue with all hollow silver in it. Oh, Daddy's home. Right, quickly. Rainbow sorbet. Silver hex mix with all multicolours in it. All multicoloured dots. Some of these are gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. Juicy fruit. These are like pale neon colours, aren't they? Like white dots in there with a white iridescent. Wow. Right, three more. This one's called Crepe. These are from Sparkle Supplies, these next three. Look at the hollow. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm so excitable today. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm so excitable and giddy. ADHD. Ice Pearl. Wow. You just can't see what this is like on camera. Look at it. Look at that. Can you see? Yes, you can see. Wow. Right, out of all this is the only one that I have actually got. But I've only got a tiny bit of it, so I can add this to it. This is called Jade. And it's like a turquoisey green hex mix from Sparkle Supplies. It's beautiful. And lastly, this is one I actually wanted from Sparkle Supplies and I haven't got. It's called Mint Crisp. And it's like that. It just looks like that jade, but it's got matte white hex mix in with it. It's difficult to show you because all the fine sticks to the bag. Can you see the matte white it's got in it? It's beautiful. Oh, I love Sparkle Supply stickers, look. Stick one of them on a nail, couldn't you? Right, have we got through it all? Guys, I'm so sorry about the video today. I'm just so excitable. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh shit, what's that? Something's open. Yeah, that's everything. Thank you so much, Annie and Anne-Marie. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Do you know what I had to do, guys? I had to open my parcel up and put some more in because she sent me that much stuff. I felt like I'd sent her a pittance. So I had to open hers back up and put some more in. Tight horse, aren't I? Anyway, guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye. Oh shit, sorry, no, before I go. I'll leave Anne-Marie's Instagram in my description box. Please go over and say hi. She's a beautiful, beautiful person. You know, I'm sure she won't mind me saying, she's been working very hard. She's part of the track trace team for COVID in Wales in the UK. So she's a good one. She's a superstar. Anyway, I'm going now. Take care. Bye.